I know, face mask. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are staying healthy and safe, staying at home, doing the whole isolation, staying 6 feet away from each other and not gathering in large groups because they are trying to decrease the amount of people that are infected. So I believe we're at the peak right now, or maybe we're getting there. Maybe we're not even at the peak. But today's video is gonna be a little bit different than some of my other videos. Because of this COVID-19 that is going around, I have decided to share with you all the easiest way to make a face mask. This is a no-sew, so you don't need a sewing machine. It requires 2 items, that's it. So without further ado, let's jump into it. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a square little napkin. You can use whatever you have on hand, a handkerchief, whatever that has a fabric which is breathable and it's very, very thin. You don't want anything too thick because you're gonna get really, really hot in it. All right, so we're gonna start out at the top. We're gonna bring it down to the middle, which is right here. We're gonna do the same thing on this side. So just make sure these 2 sides are even. All right, so that looks good. Now we're gonna go ahead and flip that around. We're gonna do the same thing on this side. So we're gonna take the top, bring it down to the middle and the bottom. All right, now we're gonna flip it around again. Next, you're gonna take 2 elastics. These are very, very stretchy, and they have that nylon fabric. As you all can see, they're really comfy to wear around your ears. So you're gonna put 1 on the right side and 1 on the left side. All right, you don't want these too close together. So this part of it is gonna be where your face is gonna go, your mouth. So next, what we're gonna do is we're gonna fold these 2 pieces over, just like so. And now you can put it on yourself. So 1 goes on your left ear, 1 goes on your right. And this is what it looks like in the front. Let me show you. Oh, thank you. Here it is. All right, so what you do is you put it around your face. 1 goes around this ear and 1 goes around that ear. And you can spread these out a little bit just like so. I can breathe through it. All right, let me take that off so you all can hear me. How cute though. What's great about this is that you could just throw it in the washing machine, wash it, make it again, and reuse it. You can use cute little fabrics. I absolutely love this idea. Whoever created this, I actually saw it on either Pinterest or Facebook, and I decided to share with you all how to make these. I hope that you all enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe for more videos like this, and until next time, bye.